Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have MARSHALL Middleton speaker and I'm going to tell you how can you easily charge your phone using your speaker. At first you have to prepare yourself a USB Type-C to C cable like I do have here. Now you have to take your phone. For example, it doesn't really much matter if you have an iPhone or Android phone. Here I have an iPhone and I have to plug my USB Type-C cable to my phone. Now we have to take our phone away, and the second part of our cable we have to plug in our USB Type-C port, charging port over here. As you can see here we have our in-out, and we just have to plug our cable into our port. And now we have to turn on our speaker. And now our device phone is charging. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.